Becosan, treatment for industrial concrete floors. Industrial concrete floor surfaces are daily exposed to high traffic of machinery. For this reason, they tend to deteriorate or to suffer abrasion wear. Furthermore, they become difficult to clean and to maintain. A Becosan treatment creates a dust-proof floor, being very suitable for industrial environments such as production plants, logistics centres or warehouses. Becosan is a unique treatment system that creates more durable, dust-free and very easy to clean industrial concrete floors. Once treated, the surface becomes extremely hard, abrasion-resistant, dust-proof and easy to clean. In addition, Becosan floors are protected against water, oil or grease stains, while maintenance costs are reduced considerably. Becosan guarantees reduced maintenance costs, an enhanced performance of the industrial floor, increased abrasion resistance, reduction in penetration of water and oils or stains, dust-proof and easy to clean surface. Becosan is developed and certified to the highest standards for industrial concrete floors and is considered as the leading and most certified concrete floor treatment system available. For more information, please contact our specialists.